Good morning. I'm outside the court in central London where Shamima Begum has just been told that she cannot return to the UK. Mr Justice J delivered the verdict after a 5-day hearing here in London, dismissing the appeal on all grounds. The 23-year-old fled the UK in 2015, aged just 15, to travel to Syria to join the so-called Islamic State, where she married one of the fighters. Between 2015 and 2019, her whereabouts was unknown until she was found in a Syrian detention centre. Shortly after, the Home Office and the then Home Secretary, Sajid Javid, stripped her of her British citizenship. Since then, she's been in an ongoing battle with the Home Office to try and regain it. During the 5-day hearing, her lawyers argued that she was recruited, transported, transferred, harboured and received in Syria for the purposes of sexual exploitation and marriage to an adult male. Meanwhile, Sir James E.D. King's counsel said Miss Begum was still a security risk to the UK. Delivering the verdict this morning, Mr Justice J said that Miss Begum had travelled voluntarily to Syria. He added that there is some merit in the argument that those advising the Secretary of State may see this issue as black and white, when many others would say there are shades of grey. Speaking in 2021, Miss Begum said that she did not hate the UK when she fled, but rather her life, and that living under ISIS rule had been hell on earth. Speaking this morning ahead of the hearing, Labour's Emily Thornberry said she thought Miss Begum should have been able to return to the country to face the charges she clearly committed. However, she said she hoped the country can now move on. This outcome of the hearing means Miss Begum cannot regain her UK passport and leaves her in limbo.